Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about how to make your own Groupon deal. Now, Groupon is a great program, except it costs you a ton of money as a business. You pay crazy amounts, and I know a lot of people that have used Groupon, and all they're using it is something called a lost leader, but they lose so much money because people get into the idea of they're going to shop that way because they know they're going to come out with the next deal, right? So they won't continue to be customers. They thought at first it'd be a great way to bring in new customers, give them a deal on the first time, and then they're going to come back and use their services. But instead, they just wait for the next Groupon or they go to the next Groupon. So how do you actually make money by offering great deals on the front end but having your own Groupon? Well, you don't have to pay those like 60, 70, 80% of your transaction to Groupon. Instead, you make your own Groupon deal, and it's super, super easy. I'm going to be using a program called Easy Deals. You can pick it up for a couple of bucks online. I'll put the link below. I'm going to show you how simple it is to use Easy Deals and make your own Groupon deals, because once you start doing this for your business, or if you're an agency and you want to do it for local businesses, this is a great tool to make. You can charge $100. Someone that's, let's say it's a nail business. They want to bring in people. They want to give a deal on a pedicure, manicure, whatever it is, and you're able to say, well, you know what, a one-time fee of $100, I'll make you a Groupon deal, and you can use it as many times as you want, or you can renew it, or however you want to set that up. It's up to you. Or if you are the owner of a nail salon or something like that, or a barber shop, or a hairdresser, or a massage therapist, or excuse me, anything like that, well, then you can use this. You could go get this program yourself and just make your own. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So this is basically the front end of of Easy Deals, and it's super, super easy to do. You log in and you hit create new deal, and this is going to be let's say nail salon, and you could do whatever the name of your company is, right? Let's go and nail salon, whatever it would be. So you basically submit that. You would go through the templates. Just let it load here. So they've got all these pre-made ones, and pretty much anything that you can think of, you'd be able to either, it's going to be in here, or you're going to be able to basically make it your own, right? So we've got skincare, chiropractic, dental care, roofing contractor, carpet cleaning, computer services, window cleaning. So you could take any of these templates, and then you could just turn it into whatever you want. So I'm going to go with there's skincare, there's salon, and there's beauty care. So I think for a nail shop, I think beauty care. So let's just look at this one. So taking care of all your needs, right? Price 150, value 300, savings. So this is perfect, right? Look at, here it is: nail polish, waxing, hair coloring, whatever. So this is definitely the one we want to use. So let's close that, and we're going to use this template. So guys, this is how simple it is. All you would do is, if you're the owner, if you're an owner and you wanted to use this, just contact me and I'll make it for you. Like, I'll do it for you if you're not sure. But basically, all of these things are editable. So you could put this background picture in, right? You would just browse images. So if you want to go to Pixabay, right? Nail polish. Search for nail polish or nails. Let's see. There we go. See what I mean? It's that simple. Now, if this isn't the right color for you, you would then change the color of the text, right? We could make it black. Oops, have to highlight it. See, or you can change it to whatever color you want. So then you would change this sort of all this description, right? So you'd put your logo in there, you'd put your thing in there. For your countdown, you would just set a date and time when it expires, right? When you go down here for the price, so I don't know, I don't know what a nail service is. Let's say it's $50. Apply the changes, and the value is uh, $89 or 120. So apply the changes. So it's what's that? Oh, let's make it round numbers. So it's 50%. So the value is 100. Apply changes. So and that's it, guys. Deals left 200. Claim discount. And then you would go in here and take the salon's services and put their information in here about this deal. You, of course, you'd put in some disclaimer stuff in there. Uh, Again, these are all, you would put the address in here so that you could find the place, right? So you would just set your whatever the address is here. You would apply the changes, and then it would come up on the map. It would change the map thing, and you've got the social media buttons. So guys, this is how simple it is. Now you're probably wondering about the payment. So for payment, click on the grab deal button. Where is the payment here? Button control. So this is what you could do. It's super simple. Now you could put in a PayPal link right there, and you just set up a PayPal price in your PayPal account, and then we'll just pay it through PayPal. Or I recommend, because PayPal is quite expensive, if you have Square or if you have Stripe or anything like that, you could actually set up a payment button. And now Stripe has it so easy. It's just one click, and you just create a Stripe payment button, and you would put the link right there. It would open up your Stripe window, and it would be a secure window, and it would take the information. You would get notified, and then you would just contact that person. And that is it, guys. It's super simple. Now, if you are someone that's interested in doing some local, let me jump back on here. Oops. If you are someone that is interested in doing local agency stuff and helping local businesses, then I have something that's really special for you. Because I'm an affiliate and I promote Easy Deals, I put together a package for you that will, let me find it here, right here. I put sort of a package together for someone that wants to do local agency, or if you're just trying to do all the SEO or the advertising for your business. This is really good too, because I put some bonuses together for you if you pick up Easy Deals. So it talks about what Easy Deals is, and this will be, if you buy it, guys, this page will automatically, these things will automatically be in your receipt. You just log into the Warrior Plus, and it will say access your bonuses, and then you'll get these bonuses. So what they are is Local SEO Agency Pro. This is a $197 product for, basically it basically allows you to become an SEO agency. It sets up everything. It's basically lock and load and do it. Some more SEO and ranking tracking tactics. I use this all the time. It's a great program. You'll learn so much from that. Also, local lead page plugin. So you can plug this right into, if you're operating a WordPress site, you can plug this plugin in, and you're able to tap into all the local lead pages, especially if you're looking for local businesses to promote to. If you don't have a logo, or you're providing logos for local businesses, this is a logo template collection. There's also the chatbot revolution. It's great. Once they've gotten the deal, you can have the success page go right back to your website and have a chatbot there and say, hey, when would you like to book your appointment, or what are you looking for today? And that chatbot is basically just alerts you, and you can have the conversation with someone that's on your site right away. These things engage crazy. And this is some script to more local leads. And also then the vendor also has some secret template packs, some social media covers, and some more deals. So basically it's a $1,500 value when you pick up Easy Deals. And I think Easy Deals right now, guys, is just like, it's about 20 or 30 bucks. So you definitely want to pick that up. Let's go back on here. So hopefully that's been really valuable for you on how to make your own Groupon deal and not pay a ton of money to Groupon. If you're a local business and you pick this up for 20, 30 bucks, whatever the price is now, I haven't looked. If you picked it up, you'd be able to make these, and you could make multiple ones. You could even, if you have a franchise, you could help your franchise do this. If you have your own designer, maybe purchase it and say, hey, designer, use this program to make me Groupon deals. Or you can contact me and say, hey, Glenn, I want you to make me some of those Groupon deals. Looks like you know what you're doing. Just contact me. I'll charge you $100, and we'll make you some Groupon deals. And basically that's it, guys. It's super easy to make a Groupon deal for local businesses and save a ton of money on getting people back into your salon. Especially it's 2021. You guys want to be getting people back into your businesses, and this will work for contractors. It'll work for painters. It'll work for any kind of business, lawyers, anything that you're trying to attract people in. You give them a Groupon type deal, and you're able to get them into the door without paying those outrageous Groupon prices. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Click the link below. Oh, and by the way, if you are just watching this video and you're looking at ways to make money online, check out the link below for my best business online that I generate a very good income from. No guarantees here, just this disclaimer, but you can check out the link on what I use for I think is the best business online. So have a great day. Cheers.